I feel so stupid right now. Okay, well, I went to bed at like 9:30 last night, and I don't know. I don't even know why. But anywho, I eventually woke up at 4 a.m. and I just couldn't get back to sleep. And I I'm sitting here trying to record this, and without even knowing it, I just pressed the shutter button, and it was the shutter button, not the record button, and I just sang this whole song, and it was a good time, and I had a good time, but I didn't record anything. Oh. Everything was so heartfelt. Oh, man. Okay. Beautiful God, laying your majesty aside, you reached out in love to show me life. Lifted from darkness into light. Oh, King for a slave, trading your righteousness for shame. Despite all my pride and foolish ways, caught in your infinite embrace. Oh, and I find myself here on my knees again, caught up in grace like an avalanche. Nothing compares to this love, 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 burning in my heart. Savior and friend, breathing your life into my heart. Your word is the lamp unto my path. Forever I'm humbled by your love. Oh, take my life, take all that I am. With all that I am, I will love you. Take my heart, take all that I have. Jesus, how I adore you. And I find myself here on my knees again, caught up in grace like an avalanche. Nothing compares to this love, 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 burning in my heart. Okay, so I just want to mention how the song just is just amazing. It just really tells how much we don't deserve God's love, yet His love for us is never ending, and nothing at all can separate us from His love. It's amazing just to know how much we don't deserve it, yet how abundantly we have it. All these lyrics is just giving yourself back to the Lord and just surrendering yourself to Him, because He is our Heavenly Father, and even if we make mistakes, He has His arms wide open for us, ready to calling us and saying, "Come here, child, I love you," you know? And I'm just so thankful. I have nothing to complain about at all. I have this here light fixture, this camera, this just being able to express my faith without being, there's other countries out there where people are persecuted for their faith. And right now in America, we have the opportunity to be able to express what we feel, who we are, and what we believe. And we shouldn't waste our time. I mean, we're alive for a reason. We have this life because God gave it to us. And yeah, so, let's see. Okay, so when I, accidentally pressed the shutter button and got it so it was all funky, I found a verse and it was good, and I just gotta find it again. Last time I was talking to basically myself, I guess. And I kind of still I gotta find out. Oh yeah, okay, so, yeah, that, I had the main points that I thought were really good that I spoke about truthfully, and I don't have a script or anything like that. That just came from the heart, and just added on. But the verse that I had was Joshua 1, verse 9. Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be terrified. Do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. That's your promise. Really, it's been evident in my life that God really is there for you no matter what. If you accept Him, if you, take that step towards Him, He's ready. He's been ready. He's been sitting there looking at his watch, been like, girl, when are you going to hurry up? I'm ready for this. Y'all ready for this? But in all seriousness, He is ready, and He is there, and once you find Him, it's just one of the most amazing things ever. You just feel convicted and completely loved and accepted at the same time. So I just, with everything going on with like the election and stuff like that, us as a church just needs to step up and start doing what God has called us to do. And anyway, anybody who's watching this, just if you have any prayer requests or anything like that, just let me know. Just message me since it's more private and stuff. Just let me know what's on your heart, and thanks for watching. Anywho, peace keys. Dim and fizzy.